Hey guys, what's good? I'm Praveen and I've got Mehak here with me. Welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. We've got something really cool because you need to know about how to lose weight, and it's all about you being calorie deficit. So let's go.
2 tablespoons butter, 1 cup cabbage, half cup cauliflower, 1 cup diced bell pepper, that's red, green, yellow, 1 cup spring onion, little French beans, small cup parsley, salt, black pepper, almond flour 1 tablespoon and cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons butter. To that I'm going to add 1 cup of cabbage, little cauliflower, French beans and half capsicum, and mix it well. 2 cups water. So our vegetables are nice and tender now, and we're going to cool it for the next 10-15 minutes and then blend the same after it is at room temperature. So our super healthy, super delicious and extremely low calorie cauliflower and cabbage soup is ready.
Alright guys, what you're going to do that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button that you always get to know about our new videos, because we got videos on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays and all, but we got on Thursday and Friday again. So please do share the channel with as many friends and family as possible. We will look forward to see you in the next video. Cheers!
Thank you.